Hello everyone, my name is Brittany Shine. Welcome to My Natural Hair Delight. Today I am going to just talk about a few things when making a hair butter, okay? I've experienced a few trial and errors and I have noticed that the hardest thing to master for me specifically was the smell, getting the smell right, okay? If you notice, my hair is covered, I have my apron on, I got my uniform on, so I'm ready to work, I'm ready to deliver some orders. So I'm making a hair butter called Moringa Delight, and I have the formula down packed. I have the formula exactly where I want it, but the smell, okay? We gotta get that smell right. So you don't want to melt your essential oils along with your butter, okay? You want to add your essential oils after you melt down your hair butter and your powders. Whatever kind of powder you would like to add to your butters, go ahead and melt all of those together, but your oils, keep your oils separate from your butters when you're melting it, especially your essential oil. Also, you want to get a cooking thermometer so that whenever you make your hair butters, you want to make sure that your temperature is below 75 degrees Fahrenheit whenever you are ready to apply your essential oils and your carrier oils. So make sure that your butter is cooled down before you add your essential oils. If you don't melt your butters and you go straight to just whipping your butter, then your butter will go back into a solid texture. It will go back into the original texture if you don't melt down your butters first. Now, if you can successfully whip your butters without doing the melting process, let me know how that works, okay? Another mistake that I've made is melting the wax and melting the butter separately. So when you melt your beeswax or your candelilla wax, if you try to add your wax to the melted butters, then the wax will immediately go back into a solid texture and you won't get that full blend that you're looking for. So you want to melt your wax. Go ahead and melt the wax along with the butters at the same time. So thank you all for watching. I hope that this video has helped you all to continue in this process. If this is something that God has called you to do it, pursue it with all your might, do it heartily unto the Lord. And if you have any questions, please comment below. I am more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delight. And check out some of the other videos that I posted recently of just how to grow and take care of your hair. So thank you all for watching. God bless you all. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.